Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a meeting which will recur more than one time in Zoom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Zoom application, and now after opening the Zoom application, just simply click to this schedule icon. Click into that and this option will appear. Now into here, just simply select everything as your meeting requires, and after that, most important part here is to select this repeat option. In order to set this meeting for more than one time, you have to click into this repeat option. After that, you will get so many options into here. You can either choose every day, every week, every 2 week, every month and every year. Just simply select the option that you want, and after that click to done and save this meeting. And after that, your meeting will be scheduled for more than one time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.